Dr. Harrison, I think that was a very powerful example, that you gave about the mother-in-law and the mother. So what would you say to mom, when she is going through really tough time and she is questioning, whether it was a right decision to have another baby, or she is questioning, I am too tired. How she can communicate these to her husband, to her mother-in-law, to her family, and how she can ask help without, um, affecting, or without asking too much. Like, how can she communicate her needs?
Well, I'm not sure I know, but one idea is really captured in the story I told, and that is to focus on the children. So we know that a lot of stress in the environment is harmful, or at least potentially harmful to the growing child, to the child's growing brain, for example. And so if the mother talks to her husband and talks to her mother-in-law about the needs of the child and her concerns of the child, and then invites them to help with the child, she may be able to elicit the kind of support that is necessary without suggesting that she is at a loss. Because sometimes in traditional societies, the mother is expected to be able to take care of everything about the children, and if she doesn't, then she is found to be lacking. And if the mother instead focuses on the children and says, you have something good to give these children, you have something good to give these children, let's together give the children what they need, maybe that would be better. What do you think?
No, I think that's a really good idea, because everyone want to help the child. So I think bring
That's
child
right.
the focus. Okay.
And that's what Barry Brazelton always said. Whenever you are at a loss, focus on the child, look to the child for what the child needs. And that reminds me of the 3 tasks of the infant caregiver or the child caregiver that I like to repeat. The first is to protect, then to nurture, and then to enjoy.